Have you ever wondered who is responsible if you get injured on someone else's property? This is where premises liability comes into play. In Denver, property owners have a legal duty to ensure their premises are safe for visitors. For instance, imagine walking through a parking lot. If it's poorly maintained, you could easily trip and fall. If that happens, you might be entitled to compensation for your injuries. Premises liability includes various types of cases, such as slip and fall accidents, inadequate security, dog bites, and negligent maintenance. However, proving liability can be challenging. Property owners may shift blame, making it important to understand your rights. Colorado's premises liability law categorizes individuals accessing property as trespassers, licensees, or invitees. Your classification affects the compensation you can claim. For instance, invitees have the most rights compared to trespassers. If you're injured, act quickly. Seek medical attention to document your injuries and preserve evidence. Take photos of the incident scene and keep your clothes as evidence. Navigating these legal waters can be overwhelming. A skilled premises liability lawyer can help evaluate your case, establish liability, and negotiate with insurance companies on your behalf. Remember, you have a limited time to file a claim, typically 2 years from the incident date. Don't wait too long to reach out for help. For a free consultation, contact us at 303-465-8733. Let us guide you through the complex world of premises liability law in Denver.